Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video I'm doing a collab with Sister J Caribbean Cuisine and Paul's Island Kitchen. So please go over and check out their videos. Our collab was a pumpkin soup, but I make a full meal. This is a full meal for me. So hope you guys enjoy the video, guys. Stay tuned. Come, let's go to the kitchen. Okay guys, here are my starting ingredients. My pumpkin, of course. I'm going to peel this, wash it, and cut it in small cubes. Here I have a piece of onion, garlic cloves, and leeks. And I'm going to wash those and then I'll come back. Here I have my garlic. I'm going to smash them and mix. Here I have a small piece of ginger, and I'm going to do the same. Mince it. I'll mince it. We'll add that to our garlic. For the onion, we do the same.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Pumpkin we just cut in cubes. The smaller the better, so it will be easy to cook. And I'll come back when I'm through. Okay guys, all cut. Now I'm going to go over to the stove. I'm going to add a small amount of oil just to saute my veggies. I'll add my onion, garlic, ginger, my leeks. I'll just saute these for 2 minutes, just until the onion becomes translucent. Now I'm going to add my pumpkin. Just season as we go. Add a small amount of salt. And allow these to saute for a minute, 2 minutes, and then we add our broth. Cover and allow the pumpkin to cook. Here I have some chicken broth. You just cover and allow it to cook maybe for 10 minutes because they are cut very small. I'm back after 12 minutes. Wow. And it's completely, pumpkin is completely cooked. Now I'm going to remove this from stove because I don't have a hand blender. I'm going to remove this so I can bring it over to my food processor. Then we come back. Okay guys, here I have some shrimp. I'm just going to peel and I'll come back. For peeling is easy. I just normally just do like that. It's self-explanatory.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
I'll set this aside for now. Guys, for my bruschetta toppings, I'll use some parsley, red onion, and tomato. And I'm just going to wash these, dice finely, and we come back.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
To this, I'm going to add some olive oil, not a lot, a little salt, and some black pepper. And we just mix and set that aside. We can work on the rest of this dish. Okay guys, moving on to our cream soup. I'm just going to pour it in my blender and blend until smooth. Now I'm just going to puree this and I add it back to my pot and add my finishing ingredients. Okay, I'm going to add my puree, pumpkin puree, back to the pot. I'm going to add some coconut milk. Our secret ingredients for our cream pumpkin soup: seafood mix. Smell so delicious, guys. Wow. I'm going to add a small amount of adobo, just to bring out the taste. A little adobo.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Okay guys, here I have a pan. Just going to add a small amount of olive oil. So we can pan-sear our shrimp. I had my shrimp and allow to brown 2 minutes per side.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Hey guys, we're coming to the end. Here I have a loaf of baguette, some bruschetta. We're going Italian today. Okay, and we cut this on a bias. We don't need them to be too thick or too thin. And this is perfect. This is perfect. And I'll cut some more and I will come back. Okay guys, for the bruschetta, for toasting, you can put them in the oven, drizzle with olive oil. But I'm not going to light my oven today. I'm not going to put the oven on today. I'm going to do these on my stove top. So let's head over to the stove. To my pan, I'm going to add a small amount of oil just for coating the bottom of my pan. And that's olive oil. And I'm just going to put my bread down, and we flip after we get some crust and some color and the bread, okay?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me
balsamic vinaigrette. I'm just going to make some decor. And we're going to add our bruschetta base. Then we add our mixture that we made. Then we're going to drizzle some more on top.
say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
Ish cream pumpkin soup, and I'm serving it with my bruschetta. And here I have some more toast on the side. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Test out this one. This one is perfect for the cold season. And as I said before, this is a collaboration with Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine and Paul's Island Kitchen. So please go over and check them out. I'll link their videos in my description box. And hope you guys enjoy my version. For me, this is a full meal. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.